Howdy, howdy, hey, how are you doing today? I'm the Moonfrog, and in this one, I'm here to welcome you to the Moonfrog Magazine Volume 3. So let's get right into it.
Here, Frog, I was trying to tell you to move a bit before you dig through the pave.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, but that's too late. Here's your camera. I don't know about the GoPro, but I know I got a good one.
Sorry, Mo, about your pave. I didn't really think about the heat. We do have a big hole there and a decent hole right there. But on the upside, we have no tire over here and no tire over here.
I mean, the tire's still there, it just needs some air in it.
so Moonfrog Magazine Volume 3. I hope you checked out Volume 2, where we build the accent, but if you didn't, you're always welcome to go check out the older videos, which are all in a playlist and nicely organized for you. So the next step for the burnout car is going to be to ship it back to Miramichi. We do have a fair bit of sheet metal work to do on it. Luckily, if everything keeps going as well as it is right now, we have a sheet metal sponsor that is willing to help us get the car ready and looking decent for the car show season. From there, we can keep moving forward. But the next step is to load up the accent, ship it back to Miramichi, and drop it off at Castle Sheet Metal.
Cop cars for one fucking Hyundai Accent.
Who would have thought?
Who would have thought?
Such a tiny car.
Such a small little fucking shitbox of a machine.
It's the first time I see a roadblock on this road.
Well, usually when it rains, they don't do this because they don't want to get wet.
Right. So these are wet pigs.
Yes.
Parce que là, ça fait 2 documents que t'as pas avec toi, là.
Hey.
T'es supposé les avoir avec toi en tout temps, les bons. Là, je peux te donner une fine pour les deux. C'est pas mon intention, là, inquiète-toi pas. Là. Ok, fait que moi, ce que je vais vous demander, là, c'est juste vous parquer derrière le véhicule de police.
Ouais.
Je vais tout runner ça, make sure que tout est en ordre, puis vous allez être en